When the job takes you off the grid, you need reliable sanitation that goes where you go. Introducing the Wordinger Portable Restroom Trailer, built tough for real-world conditions. Each self-contained unit combines a full restroom and wash station in one compact towable design, giving your crew the comfort and convenience they deserve. Engineered for quick setup, low maintenance, and reliable performance, it's ready for anything from agricultural fields to construction sites and outdoor events. Proudly built in the USA with premium materials, Wordinger trailers deliver long-term durability, dependable sanitation, and easy servicing season after season. Upgrade your job site with durable, portable convenience that lasts. Built with heavy-gauge steel and finished with a durable truck-style commercial paint, the Rolling Relief Station by Wordinger is made to handle the elements and the road ahead. Your go-to mobile sanitation solution. Click below to learn more today.